Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So it is time to study now, and today it is going to be our maths lesson. And in this lesson we will revise the concept of big and small. So let's start. Here is an apple and a strawberry. So which one is big? Yes, apple is big and strawberry is small. So here is a bus and a car. What is big? Yes, the bus is big and the car is small. Now I am giving you an assignment. What you have to do is that you have to circle the animal that is small and you have to color the animal that is big. Like in the first picture, we will circle the dog that is small and we will color the lion that is big. I hope that you will do it very easily. So stay safe. Allah Hafiz.